Today is the first day I'm running my new Legendary Thunder 1/10 scale truck. This truck is only $110 right now, an incredible deal. Brushless motor, comes with a LiPo charger, transmitter, it's RTR, and I want to give a huge thank you to my buddy Britt over at 1/10 scale RC Performance for sending this thing out to me. But today, I'm gonna go ahead and do some speed runs. I have the stock LiPo in here, and let's see what this thing does. Easing into it. Full throttle. I have the dual rate on the steering turned down so it's not too sensitive. Not that it's too critical right now at these 2S speeds, but on the included 2S battery, 31.2, let's do one more run. Full throttle. And 31.1. All right, and next up is this budget-friendly Urgenix 2S 5200 milliamp hour 70C LiPo. Is it any faster than that really lightweight and small stock Legendary battery? It should be, but it might not pull enough amps in stock trim to really make a big difference. 31.9, so really not a big difference at all. I think that's like 0.2 miles an hour. Okay, next up is my Luperior 3S 5000 milliamp hour LiPo. All right, that definitely woke that thing up. Ooh. And the first thing I'm gonna do before I run this truck next time is reduce the brake force. All right, 48.9 on the totally stock Legendary Thunder with a 3S LiPo. Pretty darn quick. All right, full throttle. Jeez, the brakes are just stupid. I barely touched them that time, and that's not good. 48.6. And 48.6. So there we go. Pretty darn quick on a, pretty standard, pretty budget, but strong 3S LiPo.